So what can you expect at your first appointment here at No Limits Dental? So when you first come in, we usually try to have you fill out forms online, that way you're not spending your time physically in this office filling out the forms. After that, you come in, we sit you down, we review your medical history, take your blood pressure, and also x-rays. Usually I can get away with taking a look at the x-rays in the back, and then I'll come in, I'll meet and greet you, I'll see what is your big chief complaint, why are you here at the dental office, is there anything specific that I need to focus on? And then I will take a look at the inside of your mouth. So I'll usually start with an oral cancer screening. So I'll feel around, all around your jaw and your neck. I'll lift away your cheeks and I'll just feel for any weird lumps and bumps. I'll probably ask you to stick your tongue out and I'll look at the sides of your tongue. And then I'll start looking for cavities and see if there's any infections, anything else going on. After I'm done taking a look at everything, I then will evaluate your gums. I do poke around a little bit to see what the depth is of your gums to see if there's any inflammation, and I will usually prep you for that, and I'll let you know okay, I'm gonna start poking around. Throughout the procedure, I am always telling patients if there's at any point in time any discomfort, please let me know, because honestly you can stop me at any point. We don't have to continue if you're in a lot of discomfort. And then I clean your teeth, and so while I'm cleaning your teeth, I will review how you're supposed to be brushing your teeth, flossing. That way it empowers you when you are leaving this office to maintain good oral hygiene, even outside of this office, because it is so important that you take care of your teeth, not only once every 6 months when you come to see me, but every single day. And so I take a lot of pride in the education that I give my patients. I feel like everybody leaves knowing exactly what they have to do in order to have good, strong, healthy teeth.